You deserve a moment to refresh. This quick Gua Sha routine will lift, depuff, and brighten your skin, leaving you glowing all day. Hi, my love. This is Sinyoung from Lemore Beauty. Thank you for showing up today. Before we start, prep and cleanse your skin with your favorite oil, moisturizer, or cream. For best results, I recommend using a high-quality Gua Sha tool, especially for your facial massage. I personally use and love our premium Obsidian Gua Sha tool, and I know you'll love it too. You can shop at lemorebeauty.com. I'll link it in the description below with the special 10% off code. We'll keep this quick and gentle. Just 2 swipes per section is enough for positive results. If you're new to Gua Sha, no worries. You can slow down the video anytime with the gear icon below. Alright, let's begin. We're going to lift our neck, reduce double chin, and improve circulation. Using this edge very gently on your neck here, from the base of your neck, like this. We're going to sweep it up for a neck lift. And at the edge here, apply gentle acupressure for definition and tension relief. And we're going to switch to that pronged edge here, this edge, and apply gentle acupressure all along our under chin here. Reduce and prevent double chin. Like so. And right here behind your ear, it's an amazing acupressure point. And we're going to sweep it down like so. All the way down your shoulder for circulation. One more, gently from the base of your neck, sweep up, counteract sagging and gravity and aging process. And we're going to gently apply acupressure and switch to that pronged edge here. As we do this, you can place your tongue on the roof of your mouth too. Try to release any tension you're carrying on your face and on your body. And sweep it down for lymphatic drainage. Switch, we'll do the other side. Using this edge very gently on your neck here from the base. Sweep up for neck wrinkle reduction and neck lift, and gently apply acupressure on the edge here for more definition. And we're going to switch to that pronged edge here, applying gentle acupressure. You will notice your double chin will look less noticeable. Make sure to be aware of your posture and sweep it down, releasing what no longer serves you. One more. From the base of your neck, gently sweep up, lifting our neck here. And you can go back and forth, side to side. Explore what feels good for you. And switch to that pronged edge here. Gently apply acupressure And you can place your tongue on the roof of your mouth. When you place your tongue on the roof of your mouth, it really helps bring and train your muscles here. And we're going to sweep it down all the way for circulation and radiance for your skin. Release. Now we're going to smooth and define our jawline using the grooved edge here, light to medium pressure, starting from the center of your chin here, like this. You can place your tool more perpendicular or at an angle. Make this your own. Gently apply acupressure all along here, like this. This really helps smooth out any adhesions or bunching, giving you a smoother appearance. And when we get to our masseters here, you can apply a little bit more pressure if it's not too much. If it's tender, lower the pressure here. Bring your shoulders back and down. Try to relax your jaws. And working here all along our jawline. And now we're going to sweep like this all the way. Define, sculpt, and lift our jawline here. Switch, other side, using the grooved edge here, light to medium pressure from the center of your chin, more perpendicular or at an angle, like this, working all along your jawline here. And the masseters as well, great for TMJ pain relief. All along. And now we're going to sweep it like this. Sweep all the way as we define, sculpt, and lift our jawline here. Giving you that chiseled, defined look. And release. We're going to lift our cheeks and smooth mouth lines using this edge, light to medium pressure. We're going to scoop up from under our jawline here. Great for sagging jowls. Lifting it up like so. And gently apply upward movement here in a pulsing motion. One more. Scoop it all the way up like this, giving you more lifted cheeks. Lifting up here. And now we're going to, from the center of our lips here, we're going to go a little further and sweep like so. Smooth the lines here, the lips, as well as below here. And we're going to smooth the marionette, the droopy lip corners, and smile lines. Gently release here. And lift it all the way up, like so. Bring your shoulders back and down. Lengthen your posture. One more. A little bit further than the center here. Scoop and sweep right here. Smooth all the lines here. And lift it all up, like so. Switch, other side, using this edge, we're going to scoop it all the way up like this for a nice cheek lift here. Upward motion here. One more. Like this. Scoop it up. Lifting your cheeks. You will look and feel younger when your cheeks are more lifted. Now, from more than the center of your lips here, like this, sweep and smooth all the lines up here, the lips as well as below. And let's smooth out the marionette, droopy lip corners, and smile lines. And lift it all the way up like so. Pull up your pelvic floor here. Imagine that something is pulling you up. One more than the center of your lip here. Gently release. And sweep it all the way up. Bring your pelvic floor up and relax your posture. Release. We're going to depuff, brighten, and lift our eyes. Using this edge here, really gentle with your eye area. We're gonna keep our skin taut like this. And we're going to bring it in like so, gently. And apply gentle acupressure here. And sweep out like so. And apply gentle pressure. We tend to pull our eyes out a lot, so this brings more balance and harmony into your appearance. And we're gonna bring it in like so. Apply gentle acupressure and sweep out as we depuff, brighten, and lift our eyes. Switch other side. Using this edge here, we're gonna keep our skin taut like this. And we're going to bring it in like so. And gently apply acupressure like so. And bring it out gently. And apply pressure on your temples here. Bring your shoulders back and down. And bring it in like so. Smooth our under eye area here and bring it up as we lift and awaken our eyes and release. We're going to smooth frown lines, forehead lines, and release tension for headache relief. Using this edge here, we're going to keep our skin taut like this and smooth all the bunching and frowning here like this gently. And we're going to sweep it like so. Smooth frown lines. And at the edge here, we're going to apply gentle acupressure to release the temporalis muscle here. Great if you struggle with migraines. One more. Keep your skin taut like this. We're going to release the 11 lines here. This gently. And we're going to sweep up and out, smooth the forehead lines and wrinkles, and release tension that we carry here. Make sure to breathe. Switch, other side. Using this edge, we're going to keep our skin taut like this and gently release the frowning, the squinting here, all the bunching. Great alternative to Botox. You can smile here for more benefits and gently sweep up and down to your temporalis muscle here and apply acupressure. This area tends to be pretty sensitive, so always honor yourself by lowering pressure if it's too much. One more. Keep your skin nice and taut here. Gently release all the lines here. And we're gonna scoop as we sweep and smooth our forehead and gently apply acupressure here for tension relief. And release. We're going to do breath work to seal all the benefits in. Really lengthen your posture here, align, and place hands at your heart. You can close your eyes here. Inhale fully through your nose. Hold. Exhale fully through your mouth. Gently open your eyes. Let it go. You did amazing. By showing up today, you've created positive momentum. For best results, practice once a day. You may love the results so much, you'll do it twice a day. If you enjoy this, check out our face massages and exercises playlist for more. And if you're ready to upgrade your routine, shop our premium obsidian Gua Sha tool at lemorebeauty.com. You can find more information, including a special promo code, in the description below. Thank you for sharing this time with me. From my heart to yours. Namaste.